You hear these teachers and they say the right thing
They do.
and they say all the correct things that you
Yes.
think they must know.
No, it's because it's become a program.
Okay.
It's become a program. And that's the difficulty with reading and becoming intellectually familiar with spiritual realities long before you're really ready for them,
Okay.
is that they then become a program. They become a program. So it's an indoctrination of a program. Oh, I have to pursue my higher self. What do you mean by your higher self? You don't even know what you're talking about, your higher self.
Well, they throw these terms around like that.
What?
They throw the terms
Yeah,
around.
they throw the terms around.
See, they throw these terms around, and you
Right.
think, well, they must really know what they're talking about. But then when you really get into it, all of a sudden they'll say, that's $100.
Well, you see, a very disciplined, if we were going to establish a real institution for spiritual learning, I would not present any of the data prematurely. In other words, let the person come to the awareness that is the next step to them. Help them remove the step, because if you read it in advance, it now becomes a program.
I see.
So they become indoctrinated, and the paradox is what they're indoctrinated with is the truth, but they're holding it as a belief system rather than an experiential subjective reality.